Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class Junior 1 students. Our today's topic, paragraph and spelling and dictations. So let's see our today's class. Class Junior 1, subject English. Topic paragraph plus spelling and dictation. Term manual. Lecture 13. SW will be 11. Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and messenger ID. So my dear students, let's start the class. Our topic is paragraph plus spelling and dictations. Okay. So number 10 in your syllabus. Number 10, write down the paragraph, my mother or Rose. In the exam, you have to answer only one paragraph, okay? One paragraph will be given, you have to answer one, okay? So, my mother's name is dash. You will write your mother's name, whatever your mother's name. So, my mother's name is dash, suppose Aisha Siddiqa, okay? She is a housewife. I have given a dash here. Your mother may be a teacher, maybe a doctor, engineer, lawyer, whatever your mother, you will write down here the profession of your mother. She takes care of me. She helps me in my study. I love my mother very much. So, my mother, I'm repeating again, my mother's name is Aisha Siddiqa. You will write down your mother's name. She is a housewife. You will write whatever your mother is, profession is. She takes care of me. She helps me in my study. I love my mother very much. Second paragraph is Rose. Rose is the queen of flowers. Queen, Q-U-W-N, queen of flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Rose is the queen of flowers. It has many petals and colors. Petals, P-E-T-A-L-S, and colors, C-O-L-O-U-R-S, colors. C-O-L-O-R-S, colors, C-O-L-O-U-R-S, both are correct. It has sweet smell. Rose is my favorite flower. Favorite, F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T, flower. So second paragraph is Rose. Rose is the queen of flowers. It has many petals and colors. It has sweet smell. Rose is my favorite flower. I'm repeating again my mother. My mother's name is Aisha Siddiqa. You will write your mother's name. She is a housewife. You will write your mother's profession. She takes care of me. She helps me in my study. I love my mother very much. Rose. Rose is the queen of flowers. It has many petals and colors. It has sweet smell. Rose is my favorite flower. Number 11 is spelling and dictations. But before this, you must know what is spelling and dictations. My dear students, this is new topic for you. A spelling dictation is an exam. In this exam, what do we do? Suppose I am a teacher, I am telling the words, and I will tell the words 3 times. I am telling the words school. I will tell the words school 3 times, and the students listen and write down their copy. Suppose school, 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 and the students listen and write down their copies. Okay, and we will give you 10 words in the exam in this way, and you will have to write the 10 words. So this is called spelling and dictations. I have given you 15 words. From these 15 words, 10 words will come in the exam. First one, umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-W-L-A, umbrella. Number 2, computer, C-O-M-P-U-T, computer. Number 3, sugar. Number 4, biscuit, B-I-S-C-U-I-T. Number 5, tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Number 6, watch, W-A-T-C-H. 7, mouth. Number 8, balloon, B-A-L-L-W-N. Number 9, afternoon, A-F-T-E-R-A-W-N. Number 10, brain, B-R-A-I-N. Number 11, Friday. Number 12, spoon. Number 13, bicycle, bicycle. Number 14, coffee, coffee. 15, uniform, uniform, uniform. I am repeating again. Number 11, spelling and dictation. 1, umbrella. Number 2, computer. Number 3, sugar. Number 4, biscuit. Number 5, tongue. Number 6, what. Number 7, mouth. Number 8, balloon. Number 9, afternoon. Number 10, brain. Number 11, Friday. 12, spoon. 13, bicycle. 14, coffee. 15, uniform. You have to learn the words very carefully. If you make one letter spelling mistake, you will get 0. And if you do no spelling mistake, you will get 1. So I am repeating again. The spelling mistake, spelling dictation. Number 1, umbrella. 2, computer. 3, sugar. 4, biscuit. 5, tongue. 6, was. 7, mouth. 8, balloon. 9, afternoon. 10, brain. 11, Friday. 12, spoon. 13, bicycle. 14, coffee. 15, uniform. So my dear students, your homework 11 will be you will submit on Sunday. Paragraph, my mother and Rose. So homework 11 submit on Sunday. Paragraph, my mother and Rose. You do not have to submit SW, spelling and dictations. Okay. So that's all for today, my dear students. Do your assigned SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You know you will also collect the copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SB and city mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. We are giving 2 marks of your SW copies. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe. Stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.